Have you ever thought about earning money while you sleep? Sounds dreamy, right? Well, that's the beauty of passive income. It's a stream of earnings that requires minimal to no effort to maintain once it's set up. However, it's crucial to note that setting up passive income initially does require some active effort and capital. But once you've crossed that bridge, it's all about reaping the rewards of your investment. So, are you ready to discover some unique passive income ideas? Stay tuned. The first set of passive income ideas revolves around digital products and online platforms. Let's start with publishing ebooks. You might have a unique story or specialized knowledge that people crave. Pouring your insights into an ebook requires initial effort, but once it's out there, it can keep selling while you sleep, generating income over time. Next, consider selling custom products with print on demand. This doesn't require any inventory or upfront costs. You just create your unique designs, and the print-on-demand service takes care of manufacturing and shipping. Your creativity becomes your passive income. Building a niche or affiliate blog is another option. By creating valuable content around a specific topic, you can attract a loyal audience. Monetize your blog through partnerships and affiliate marketing, earning income every time a reader makes a purchase through your link. Here's a slightly more unconventional idea: flipping domain names. With the digital space becoming increasingly crowded, great domain names are becoming scarce and valuable. Buying and selling domain names can be a lucrative passive income stream if you have an eye for potential. Finally, for the tech-savvy among you, consider creating apps or software. The development phase might take some time and effort, but once your product is up on app stores, it can continue to sell and generate income passively. These digital platforms offer a world of opportunities, don't they? But wait, there's more. If you're more into physical assets, don't worry, we've got you covered. Consider subleasing rooms or apartments. With the rise of platforms like Airbnb, you can easily turn an empty room into a lucrative source of income. Similarly, if you have a car gathering dust in your garage, why not rent it out? Services like Turo make it easy to safely and securely lend your vehicle to travelers, commuters, and anyone else in need of wheels. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the digital realm. Ever thought about selling stock photos? If you've got a knack for photography, platforms like Shutterstock can be a great avenue to earn passive income. Similarly, credit card rewards can be a surprisingly effective way to generate cash back. But remember, it's crucial to use credit responsibly. Lending money on peer-to-peer platforms can also be profitable. However, it's important to note that this method comes with its own set of risks. Always do your due diligence before diving in. And finally, let's talk about buying established blogs or websites. This can be a great way to hit the ground running with a pre-existing passive income strategy. However, like any investment, it's crucial to research thoroughly before making a purchase. Physical assets can also be a goldmine, right? But we're not done yet. Now you have a myriad of passive income ideas at your fingertips. From publishing ebooks and renting out storage space, to flipping domain names and earning through credit card rewards. Each idea requires an initial investment of time and capital, but the payoff is a steady stream of income with minimal ongoing effort. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but once you take it, the path to financial freedom becomes clearer. Start your passive income journey today and watch your dreams turn into reality. If you're committed to building a future of financial freedom, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Don't miss out on more valuable insights and tips to transform your financial life. Drop a comment below, and let's discuss how you can turn these ideas into reality. Thank you.